you also using Razorpay as your payment gateway to receive new payments for your online business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to add successful Razorpay payment details in Google Sheets automatically. So here I'm an owner of an online store and I'm using Razorpay as my payment gateway to receive new payments from my customer. And here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new successful payment through my Razorpay, then automatically I want to add the payment details in my Google Sheets as a new row instantly and automatically. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Razorpay with my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that I am an owner of an online store and I use Razorpay as my payment gateway to receive new payments from my customer. So now managing payments manually can be a hassle, especially when running an online store or offering services. So by automatically adding successful Razorpay payment details to Google Sheets, I can keep an organized record of all transactions without lifting a finger. This helps me monitor payments in real time, create reports effortlessly, and share payment details with my team if needed. So here I've built an amazing automation in which I've connected my Razorpay with my Google Sheets in order to add all the successful payment details in my Google Sheets instantly and automatically. So now we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I have already built using Pabbly Connect. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make a successful payment over here for this particular product, and here you can see I pre-filled the details over here. So now I'm going to click on this pay. And here you can see that my payment is in a test mode. So here I'm going to make a test payment over here. So for that I'm going to select my payment method as UPI. And here I'm going to enter my UPI ID. And now I'm going to click on this verify and pay. And here you can see the payment has been successful. That means we have successfully placed an order over here. So now let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response over here where we have received the new order ID, name as dummy user, email as dummy@pabblytools.com, a random phone number and payment method as UPI. So here you can see that the process was very easy and it has instantly added a new payment detail in our Google Sheets. So now here in this video we are going to learn that how you can connect your Razorpay with Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect in order to receive the successful payment details in your Google Sheets instantly and automatically. So for that I need to connect my Razorpay with my Google Sheet by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on the screen you can see the Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add successful Razorpay payment details in Google Sheets automatically. And now here it is asking me to select the folders. So here you can see in the left side of the dashboard a folder section has been given over here, and here you can see all the folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here for this particular automation I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is the response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Razorpay, as I'm using my payment gateway as Razorpay to receive new payments. So basically Razorpay is a popular online payment gateway in India that makes it easy for businesses to accept payments from customers. Think of it as a bridge between your bank and your customer, allowing them to pay using various methods like credit cards, debit cards, net banking, UPI and more. So here in my Razorpay trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new payment captured, so that whenever a payment is captured in a Razorpay, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Razorpay account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay account's dashboard, and from here I'm going to click on this account and settings. And here under account and settings, you can see website and app settings, and here under website and app settings, I'm going to select webhooks. Now here under webhooks, you can see already existing webhooks over here. So I'm going to create a new webhook by clicking on this add a new webhook over here. And here you can see a webhook setup dialog box has appeared in front of you. So now here it is asking me to enter the webhook URL. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So here I've entered the webhook URL, and then here the secret and alert email is not required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. And here for the active events, I need to select the active event for which I want to set up this automation. That means here I need to select the event on which I want to receive a successful response on this webhook URL. So here I'm going to select my active event similar to the one that I've selected in my trigger event of Pabbly's workflow. So here I'm going to select my event as payment captured, and now I'm going to click on this create webhook. And here you can see we have successfully created a new webhook over here. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Razorpay account, or you can say we have successfully connected our Razorpay account with Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a test payment in our Razorpay payment page. So for that, let me take you back to my payment page. Here I'm going to refresh it, and again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and make a test payment. So here you can see the amount has been selected already. So now I'm going to enter the name as test user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter the random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this pay. And again here I'm going to make a test payment. So I'm going to select my payment method as UPI, and here I'm going to enter the UPI ID, and then I'm going to click on this verify and pay. And here you can see we have successfully made a payment over here. That means we have successfully placed a test order in our Razorpay using our Razorpay payment page. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received response over here, where we have received the status as captured. Here you can see the new order ID. Here you can see the phone number, name, email, method, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new payment through our Razorpay, I want to add the successful payment details to my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, I need to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets over here. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. It's like having a powerful and flexible digital workbook that you can access from any device with an internet connection. So here in my Google Sheets action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that whenever a new payment is captured in my Razorpay, I want to add that payment detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. And now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the spreadsheet. So here I've already shown you that I have created my spreadsheet with the name Razorpay payments. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the spreadsheet I'm going to select my sheet as Razorpay payments. And now here after selecting my spreadsheet, I'm going to select my sheet as sheet 1, and then here it is asking me to enter the order ID, name, email, phone number and payment method. So basically these are the fields that I've entered in my Google Sheets. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new payment through our Razorpay, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the order ID. So for that I'm going to search for the order ID. So this is the order ID. Moving forward, here for the name I'm going to map the name. So here I'm going to map the name. So this is the name, so I'm going to map it over here. Here I'm going to map the email. So this is my lead's email. Here I'm going to map the phone number. This is the phone number. And lastly, here I'm going to map the payment method. So this is the payment method. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets as a new row for the new payment received through our Razorpay. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail over here where we have received the new order ID, name, email, phone number and the payment method. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation over here. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Razorpay and our action as Google Sheets. So that whenever a new payment is captured in our Razorpay, then automatically the successful payment details is going to add in our Google Sheets as a new row. Okay, so these were the steps to how to add successful Razorpay payment details in Google Sheets automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.